Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla on Friday extended the deadline for surrendering illegal and looted arms till 4 p.m. on March 6th after locals from the hill and valley areas requested the authorities for more time according to an official statement. The extension comes a day after Arambai Tengol surrendered 246 weapons at the first MR complex in Imphal West. This mass surrender of weapons by the group came 2 days after its members met Governor Bhalla in Raj Bhavan and is the largest such surrender of illegally held weapons so far in the strife-torn state. The latest statement reads, and I quote, "Upon the expiry of the 7-day deadline for the voluntary surrender of arms, there have been requests from both the valley and hill areas to extend the period. I have considered these requests and decided to extend the deadline until 4 p.m. on March 6th. Around 6,000 weapons have been looted from state armories during the conflict, which began in May 2023. Further, the statement said that no punitive action will be taken against those who surrendered their arms till March 6th evening. It termed this as the last opportunity to do so. The statement read, and I quote, "This is the last opportunity for everyone concerned to contribute to peace, communal harmony, the future of our youth, and the security of our society." On February 20, Bhalla appealed to people to abandon such weapons to their nearest security establishments within 7 days, stating that no punitive action would be taken. However, he said strict action would be taken after this period ends. Here is what Arambai Tengol leaders said after surrendering weapons yesterday.
We need to have a good relation with the police personnel so that the peace and the peaceful atmosphere prevail in Manipur. The periphery areas in the outskirts of Manipur, the outskirts, peripheral areas in the Delhi, they should be guarded by the central forces and as well as state police. Okay, this is one very important point. In the process, in the agreement we made, if like Kuki have attack us and there are loss of life and it affects the property of the Meitei people, then of course Arambai Tengol will retaliate. They said they can do. That means they are saying they will guard the peripheral areas of Imphal Valley 100% safe. That is what they mean. And we also asked for general amnesty to the village volunteers, including Arambai Tengol. They said they will consider, and they also mentioned that this has been published in the newspaper where if things are happen within this stipulated time, they will excuse for all cases against those people involved. And last but not least, they agreed upon the free movement of Arambai Tengols with their uniform in and around. There is no problem with the government authority. From our side, government has given a pathway for peace. That is what we respect. We need to have a look because the government are trying their best to make a peaceful state. So Arambai Tengol, in fact, that accepted the peace proposal. So what comes next? Definitely we will have a reaction on to that. Yes.
How many numbers of arms and ammunition?
In total, there are 240 weapons.